There he is.
Hi, Ant.
It's a little ant that we have in ant jail.
An ant cookie size.
Right? Right, Christina? He's in ant jail? Okay. Now we'll give him a little piece of food.
Goldfish.
A little goldfish to see if he likes it. Go. Oh. Right there.
Yay. Maybe
Does he
he's
like
gonna
it?
like it.
He's just gonna check it out. Let's get it a little closer to him. He goes, some food. What do you think? You think he'll like it?
He's looking. I don't know. He's looking for something to put on his Maybe he'll eat the termite crumbs, and I farted.
Oh no!
And the ant will smell it. Like the ant. And then the ant will say, "Ew, that's disgusting. I want to get out of here." How? Look, he's finding something to put on his neck, for he cannot get dirty.
Yeah, for it. Really?
Maybe a giant napkin.
Oh, maybe he's gonna put a giant bib on before he eats the crackers.
I know. How about we give him a little piece of a gummy bear? Yes, I'm a gummy bear.
Don't put the. Okay.